Hey there, Chaba here, and welcome to day 3 of the 28-day Corona Proof Your Business Challenge. And this video is all about features and benefits. Now, in the last video, I mentioned this a little bit, but I wanted to make this video to explain it in even more detail because it's super important and I still see most companies totally abuse it. And it's a big mistake, in my opinion. So, features versus benefits. What are them? Features are basically the physical characteristics of your product, like its dimensions, its contents, what it's made of, how many videos you have in a course, what's included in the package, what comes with the product itself. On the other hand, benefits, they translate these features into usable end results for your ideal customer itself. So, for example, just let's use the AirPods as an example. Features for this: it's small, it has a nice design, it has a I don't know how big of a battery, but like let's say 300 milliamps of battery. It's portable, it's lightweight, it's high quality. These are all features. On the other hand, benefits translate these features into how our ideal customer for these, for example, will use them. So benefits for AirPods could be that it's easy to use because it's plug and play. You just use it with an iPhone easily. You can pair it very easily. Other benefits could be that it's light. You can put it almost anywhere. Other benefits could be that it has a long battery life, that it has good enough audio quality, that it frees you from the burden of having wires all around your head. So it gives you more freedom. Another benefit could be that it's long lasting and you don't really have to worry about it. Now, these are all good and all, but ultimately, you as a copywriter or in your marketing messaging, you want to go even beyond the benefits. So you want to think about the benefits of benefits. So it's nice that, this is lightweight and it frees up a lot of mental energy that you have. But how does this translate into ultimately what our ideal customer is looking for? Well, it will give them peace of mind, for example. So think about this, for example. The feature is that it has 300 milliamps of battery life. The benefit is that it has long, like let's say all day battery life, which is probably not true for this, but they advertise MacBooks and iPhones like that. But the benefit of the benefit is that you will get peace of mind so that you don't have to worry about charging your stuff. You will know for a fact that you're covered. So if you have an important call, you don't have to fiddle around with all these battery indicators and stuff like that. But another benefit of benefit could be that it makes you feel good and cool and professional. So if you put it in your ear, for example, the feature is that it's small and lightweight and portable. The benefit is that it gives you more freedom and flexibility. But the benefit of the benefit is that it makes you feel professional. It makes you feel like a better, more efficient person, for example, and a more trendy person, because at the end of the day, Apple always tries to sell you something on the fact that you're going to be more trendy because of it. So always think about these distinctions when you sell something. And I see this error everywhere, basically, especially in e-commerce. So many people try to sell things based on features. Some of them, already introduce benefits, but you want to go one step further and introduce the benefit of benefits. So always ask, so what and so that. So something has X, so that Y, so that Z. And the benefits of benefits usually translate to very primordial things that we all want as people. They usually translate to safety or feeling accomplished or feeling like feeling understood or being part of the group, feeling happier or healthier or less afraid. So as with the previous video that you should always sell based on emotion and then justify with logic, the benefits of benefits also relate to emotions. And that's why it's important, because if you sell with benefits and benefits of benefits, you will automatically trigger core emotions in people that basically they want to satisfy. And this is the best way, the easiest way, and the most cost-effective way to sell them something, no matter the economic climate or anything. And this is more important than ever for your business right now, because every dollar counts, and you want to get lean, and you want to get as efficient as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you and meet you. And see you tomorrow with the next one. Cheers.